Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ActiveCampaign automation using AI-generated emails step by step clearly. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automations tab from the main dashboard. Click on the Create Automation button to start a new automation workflow. Select the option to start from scratch or choose a pre-built automation template. Name your automation for easy identification. Click on Add Start Trigger to define how the automation will begin. Choose the appropriate trigger based on your needs. Set any conditions for the trigger, such as specifying a particular list. Once you've configured the trigger, click Add Start to confirm. Now, it's time to integrate AI-generated emails into your automation. Click on Add Action and select Send Email. On the email setup screen, choose Create a new email. Select the plain text or HTML option based on your preference. Now, for the AI-generated content, open your AI tool or platform of choice. Input your email subject line and body content criteria into the AI tool. Generate the email content based on the inputs you provided. Copy the generated email content once you are satisfied with it. Return to ActiveCampaign and paste the copied content into the email body. Customize the email further if necessary, like adding images or adjusting formatting. Review all the email settings, including the sender name and reply to address. Save the email to return to your automation. You can add more actions if needed, such as additional emails or tags. Once your automation workflow is set up to your liking, click on the Activate button to put it into action. Your automation will now run automatically based on the defined triggers. Monitor your automation performance using the reporting features in ActiveCampaign. Make adjustments to your AI-generated emails and automation settings as needed for optimal engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.